categorical admission that the three initial complaints prior to the fourth one were dismissed because they were all archived. As I have said, archiving is not part of the rules of impeachment of the House of Representatives, but they just. You may proceed, sir, if Senator Marcoleta so desires. Thank you, Mr. President. This is not an interpellation. Rather, this is a manifestation to be followed by a parliamentary inquiry. The gentleman may proceed. Mr. President, I've been diligently reading and reviewing the rules of Senate since I've been out of this august chamber for 3 years. Nowhere in our rules can I find a provision on a motion to dismiss, as submitted by the honorable gentleman from Tarlac. Neither is there a supplementary application of the rules of court to offer space for such motion to dismiss, except perhaps in the committees performing their legislative inquiries in aid of legislation. Obviously, we are now assembled in plenary, not as an impeachment court, but as a legislative body, and I cannot relate to a motion in this plenary to an issue that involves a collective. Maybe here from Senator Marcoleta with respect to his idea, given that he is the proponent of the motion. It is true that the motion to dismiss is not part of our rules, but it is part of our rules po yung pagiging supplementary application for the rules of court. In the rules of court, yung korte po can motu proprio dismiss a case kung wala pong jurisdiction. And considering that the rules of court has become part of our rules, that's why I use the motion to dismiss. Pag wala pong jurisdiction, halimbawa, sa isang korte, collection case po ito, 5,000 pesos po yung pinay niya, dinismiss. Kung hindi pa sumagot yung kalaban, jurisdiction po ng korte yung 3,000. Ano po yung sabihin? Kasi po, wala pong, hindi po verified yung complaint, dinismiss. Sa motu proprio talaga dinismiss. Paano po kaya kung sinabihan pa na Senate na one jurisdiction over the case? Mas lalo po siguro dapat natin pahintigan na talagang dinismiss na po natin, Mr. President. Senator Lacson is recognized. Again,